Classic Truck Rescue. Today I'm going to unbox the AFERY 2400 watt portable power station. This is a product review, but it's also a video of me getting something completed that I've been working on for a while. Our gate collapsed. I had to redo the whole thing. It involved using the big crane truck with the drilling auger on it and setting a big log, building fencing and stuff like that. I have a little finish up work to do on it today, and I need to use my Sawzall, and there's no power down there at the gate, only solar power. And since I'll need 110 volts to run my saw, I'm going to give this a try, but right now I'm just going to unbox it, show you what's in it. I don't know what that is. Maybe a cover. Okay, don't use a knife on the plastic bag that has the cover in it. Well, that's kind of a neat feature. I've never gotten one that had a cover before. I can see where that would keep it nice. AFERY. Here's a little zip pouch. Oh, for your cord. This is the cord, I believe, for connecting to a solar panel. And this is, of course, your 110, 120 volt cord. Got some literatures right here. Looks like you can download an app, which we will do to help you control it. Right now, I'm just trying to get it unboxed so I can get it charged, put it to work today. It's the AFERY P210 portable power station. Well packed. Oh, here comes the fun part. Oh, I get to lift it up one more time. Okay, so I can see that we've got a storage compartment for the charging cords and a pouch. This is a camera bag. Anyone can clearly see that that is a camera bag. Bonus, the cords can go with the apparatus. They can go right there. You just got to snug them in there good, but here we go. See? Okay, so it's a 2400 watt portable power station, model AF-P210. The battery capacity, you know what? You'll have to read through the manual or the back. Or just look at the back of the model yourself, and it will list all of the capabilities and capacities and things like that I don't feel like reading right now. Okay, so that's a pretty straightforward unboxing. You've got the cords, the camera bag, and the pouch for protecting it. I'm gonna get this charged up. I do kind of like the bag. It's on there nice and snug and keeps the dust and stuff from getting in your crevices and stuff like that. It's a little heavy. Let's check the weight, folks. I've been jumping on this quite a bit myself. Let's check the weight, folks. 4850. 4850, folks. So just under 50 pounds. But it's a battery, right? Okay, so that's what's in the box, and that's kind of an overview of the product. I'll use this and plug it in and get it charged, and I'm going to go on about my day working on the gate, installing the new RAM. So I got her plugged in, and this is what the screen's doing right now. So it's obviously charging. I'll wait for that to get to 100. I've got other things I can do. I'll be back. We'll go to work. This power station is super handy for things like operating power tools out in the bush. , 'cause 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 'c That'll get her done. Still have 96% battery. Strong enough to cut this truck frame into pieces.
Don't ever do that again.
Ooh. I'm using the AFERIY power station to keep my camera going, and also I've got my laptop plugged into it. It would be nice to have the camera mounted on a tripod a little closer to the street so that I could read the comments off of my laptop.
You gonna steal Adam's chair?
I got a visitor.
Yeah, you do.
I got a
looking for a new family.
Can she be on YouTube?
Sure.
Hello, what's your name? What does that translate to?
Spencer.
Well, thanks for stopping by. You need to subscribe to Classic Truck Rescue. That is funny. This video is being co-sponsored by Spencer. She's helping me with the narration. Yep. .33 to 35 Ford right there. That's nice. Very nice. Barracuda convertible, 67 or 8. That's very nice. Followed by a 54 or 55 Chevy pickup. Beautiful truck.
It's a nice ship.
We can get a better look at that one. That's nice. Very nice.
Oh, can I have a piece of candy?
Look at the old Ford. That's just amazing the way they train these horses. They're beautiful. Look at that. And then you got the Hey, did you guys bring a mop? We need a mop. I think that's it. Thank you for joining Classic Truck Rescue for the 100th running of the Moala Buckaroo Parade. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, keep coming back, and ding, click the notification bell. Peace out.